I'm going to show you how you can add funds into your PayPenny account. Now, if you want to add funds, you might need to do a couple of things first. First, you need to do a KYC verification by tapping on this button here. And you also need to have an account as well. But if you already done all of that, you can just tap on this button to add the money. Now, I don't have an account and I haven't done my KYC verification yet. So this is what you'll see if you haven't done that. But if you have done both of those, you'll see that this is what it will look like. You just need to follow the on-screen prompt to actually go to your add funds to your account. It should be very easy. All of it is very guided as well. Although again, all you need to do first, you need to actually make an account and then complete a KYC verification as well to allow you to transfer money into your actual PayPenny account here, right? So again, enter in a KYC verification, sign up to your account, and then do a couple of onboarding process so you can go ahead and make your account safely. After that, just press this button to add the money or the funds onto your account in PayPenny, and then that's it, you're done.